Loquat leaf tea traces its roots to East Asian folk medicine where it is used to ease coughs and chest congestion. The leaves contain flavonoids and saponins thought to soothe irritated airways and promote mucus drainage. A small clinical note reported improved coughing comfort in patients who drank Loquat tea alongside usual care. In practice, simmer a handful of fresh or dried leaves in hot water for 10 minutes and sip warm. Case observations from herbalists describe reduced nocturnal coughing and calmer breathing after a week of nightly tea.